नमस्कार दोस्तों, द फैक्ट टाइम में आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ कोमल जी हैं जो उसी हॉस्टल में अब भी रह रही हैं जिसके बारे में मीडिया में 4 साल पहले काफ़ी अलग अलग बातें दिखाई थी। जानते हैं हॉस्टल का असली सच क्या है, इनसे सीधी बातचीत करके। कोमल जी, द फैक्ट टाइम में आपका स्वागत है। कोमल जी, आप कितने समय से एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं आप डेरा सच्चा सौदा के स्कूल?
Yeah, I'm here since last year, and it's my second year in this hostel. So yeah.
How you feel in hostel?
Yeah, it's far away from our imaginary world. What I think so that what people think here is far different from here. Like I live here hostel since last year, and I feel that all these things people think are rumors. What we think. यहाँ पर जो safety है वो कहीं नहीं है. What I think, like my friends also, they are non-devotee first of all, and they also think that this world where we live is far away from those reality worlds. We know that in nowadays world what is going outside and all, and it's far away.
आपको मैम एडमिशन लेने के टाइम आपके पेरेंट्स को डर नहीं लगा, क्योंकि इस हॉस्टल के बारे में मीडिया में काफ़ी अलग अलग बातें दिखाई जा रही हैं?
No, actually since I am born we are coming here, so I think so that we can't think all about that what people say, because since I am born we are believing here, and we believe in our Guru Papa, so no, like
सेंट डॉक्टर गुरमीत राम रहीम सिंह जिंसा का नेचर कैसा लगता है आपको बचपन से?
nature, he is what I can say, we don't have words, he is our Guru Papa. What I think so that he is a power, not a person, a power who is changing this world, and who has brought a lot of change in us, in people, and all our surroundings in this world. Yeah.
What he did for the society?
Yeah, he did a lot of things. It's not countable. A lot of things, like first of all we can say drugs. Then we know that prostitutes marriage, and we know that Shahi Betis, royal daughters who are living here, they are near about we can say 23 or 27, who are daughters of Dr. Papa, and so he is taking care of all that, all this dera, all these people, all this world, because of his only everything is going
why
on.
you called him as a papa?
Papa, because I think so our parents also can't do that thing what he is doing at this moment, or he is doing since he came here, or I think so that what we believe is he is doing, like we think, and the work is done by him. He is all rounder. We can say that everything we are learning here is just because of him. Willpower, everything. He teaches us every time, meditate, just like our parents. So I say him Guru Papa every time.
What do you think about the allegations on Cindy?
No, they are just fake. I can say all are rumors. Just I am saying people that change your perspective. First of all, what people say outside this media and all, just change your perspective and come here once and meet us, and we will show you all these things, that these are rumors, nothing is true, all those rumors, so please don't believe them and all.
What media has shown, what you want to say about them?
This media is fake. I can say this is nothing true. I just request that a lot of thousands, hundreds of people come here daily and go here. They are saying, everyone is saying that this all news are fake, and we are also living in hostel. No, and we also know each and everything what they are showing and what is reality. That is far away from reality. Everything is far away from reality. So please come here and see once that what is here and what this world is showing to you. Change your perspective, change your way of thinking. Please come here once. We all will show you what is here and what people are thinking.
Have you visited Gufa?
Yeah.
What is the reality of Gufa?
Yeah, I can say that once we went for Seva in Gufa. It is far reality. Like we students, we hostlers are also not allowed to visit inside. There is nothing like that. Like what media was showing, our resort is there, MSG, and that one tunnel is there. They are saying this is Gufa, and which students lead into this and went to Gufa. But that is not Gufa at all. Gufa is where Pitaji lives, and that is only a room, not anything else. No tunnel, not at all. It's just a room where he lives. It is everything is fake. Please come here and visit. we can say proudly that our father is not like that with what people thinks and all. It's just reality in which we live. You are living in an imaginary world, we can say.
And do you think today's society needs him?
Yeah, a lot, because we can say since Papa has gone here, coronavirus and all, everything is going on, like rapes and all, drugs and all. Again and again, new news is about like this Taliban attacks and all. Our world needs him because people don't understand perspective. We can't understand him because he's, we can say that almighty, no, that we can't understand his mental level and all, because where he starts to think, our mental level stops there. We can't think that what he is going to do and what he is doing and what he has done for us, so we can't say anything. So
What do you want to appeal to the government about him?
I want to appeal just that the leaders who first came here for votes and all, no, now they should come here and see, they should stand by us and say that to government also, that these all allegations are false, they are not true at all. Please don't believe at that fake news is. You come here once, I appeal you again and again. We'll show you each and everything. Come in hostel, we'll show you our rooms and all facilities we get there, all security. Even our warden is also woman. No security guard is there. Only 3 we can say that old person are there who are on para also. They are on gate only. No, even though plumbers come there, they are also ladies. No man is allowed there. No. We can say nothing is there like that. We can say that this is wrong and all. Everything is true. We can say that melodious vibes come from there, like Guru Papa is here with us every time. Everything is true. So please don't believe all that rumors. I request you again and again. Please don't believe it. Come here. We'll tell you everything. We'll show you everything. Don't believe. It's my request.
थैंक यू कोमल जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। दोस्तों, दिस इज़ द रियल फैक्ट ऑफ तेरा सच्चा सौदा। हमारे साथ वो लड़की जो हॉस्टल में रहती है, जो आज भी हॉस्टल में रह रही है, वो बता रही है और अपील कर रही है कि सच सामने आना चाहिए, और अगर किसी को सच जानना है तो वो एक बार विज़िट करे, इनसे मिले। इनका कहना है कि जो भी एलिगेशंस लगाए जा रहे हैं सब फॉल्स लगाए गए हैं, सब झूठे लगाए जा रहे हैं। एक सच्चाई से दूर रखा गया है समाज को। आप भी सोचिए, आपकी क्या राय है? जरूर डालिएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में। देखते रहिए द फैक्ट टाइम। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।